To Wabili Concept TV. Today we just finished installation of this door. This is a Turkey luxury door and it's a good door. You can see how beautiful it is. And while we install this door, we have a shade that protects the door because this is a kind of door that is not friendly with rain and sun. So we have it under a good shade, and with this level of distance, it will stay long in this building. So after installation, what we need to wrap it up for we to protect it from other construction job, because POP and all other jobs will be taking place, and this is why we have to protect this job. This is our daily concept. We work with safety of what you are buying. So we're about to wrap this. This installation of this project here in Bogije in Lagos State. So this is a two-wing is a three-bedroom flat. We have a BQ. Although it's a good project, what we did here is just installation of the main entrance door, and we have this Turkey luxury door. We have G1 LP design, 3 feet and 4 feet design, and we have the steel 70 door installed in the security house. This is just like is a combination of a Turkey luxury door and G1 LP design. The Turkey luxury door is used at the front of this building just because we have some shaded area that can protect this luxury door. While this luxury door, because direction of rainfall and sunlight cannot affect it where it is, so the way the location of this door can make it serve and stay longer in this house. So it's a good setup and is a good idea, is a good recommendation that it is used for this kind of project. Assuming the entrance is in front a little bit, it is not advisable to use because rain and sunlight will be falling on it. So even on the door, it is written that it should be protected from sunlight and rain. It is written there boldly. So it is not that we are trying to, there is something that is written on the door. The manufacturer have written it there that this door should be protected from the direct sunlight and direct rainfall. So it's just about this door. So now let's talk about between tiling and door, which one should come first if you are planning a project, a house project like this. So it is I received so many calls and I have this question being asked so many times, so I decided to make it in this video. Just between tiling and door installation, which one should come first? One, door installation is what we mean by the door is the main entrance of the building should be installed first. So after making installation of the main entrance, if you plan to use steel door for internal doors for your bedroom, for all other internal area, if you are planning to use steel door, which is the iron doors, you have to install it before tiling. But if you plan to use wooden doors in the internal doors, it is highly recommended to tile the floor before installing the wooden doors. But what you need to do when you are planning ahead of using a wooden door is you need to create a wooden frame. It is called a subframe. Some people call it frame, just to be on the wall, and the bricklayer will now plaster it. They will cement it together on the wall. This is the frame, which is the wood that will hold the wooden frame when it is being installed on the wall. So many of our customers are always complaining, why are they having to install subframe before buying the wooden door? Because they must think that the frame is coming together. Yes, the frame is coming together, but the frame need to hold something on the wall. Well, because when you are nailing wood on wood, it is more stronger than when you are nailing wood on the wall, or if you are using like some spray foam to hold the door, is something that will not last longer. So the best highly recommended idea is to nail a subframe. And now if you plan to tile after subframe, you tile it, then the final measurement, which is, when you tile a floor, you have reduced the height. So when the height is reduced, that means the remaining height will now be taken. This is what we will now use to install the wooden door in the apartment, because wooden doors is something that need to be free, and you need to know the exact measurement, because if you take a measurement from the standard, or if you are taking a general standard measurement for your home, you may end up cutting the design of the wood, which will affect the finishing of the look of the wooden door. So it is highly recommended that you tie your home if you are planning to use wooden door before installing it. But if you are planning to use a steel door, it is highly recommended you install the steel door before tiling, because when you install your steel door, the tile installer will take the level of the steel floor, steel height together with their plan, and they will achieve a final result of a smooth tiling. So this is why I highly recommend that you tie your home before installing a wooden door. So this is Wabili Concept TV. My name is Wahab Biliamin Olademiji. My office address is number 4 Anekpele Street, along Shogo, Mushin, Amu. As you all know, Amu is a general market for building materials. So that is why our office is located at Amu. And my phone number is 082 80 49 3914. So thank you guys.